Are you guys ready for another skit?
Yeah!
Are you guys ready for me to do my cheer yet? Okay, then how about 10083?
Yeah! You're gonna be last, but that's okay.
That was loud.
This will be a lot of fun. Do I have to play games? Right? What? I'm Green Lantern, but lanterns are so last season. Flashlights are in now. I'm Superman! Okay, I'm getting too old for this. Batman, hand me the kryptonite. Ow! I'm Spider-Man, but I'm arachnophobic. There's a spider! I'm Wonder Woman. Has anybody seen my bracelet? All I could find is this cheap necklace.